Okay, continue August 16th. This is video number 4. This is El Camino del Mar up Landsend Trail. That's where we were just now. And then ahead of us, it's Eagles Point. And that's where the maze is. It's a long way. I'm not going that far. So, I think I'll... Oh, man. Huh? We'll go this way. What time is it? Oh, 7:30. Well, this is new. You didn't used to have stairs. Now the stairs are new. Well, this is hell of improvements. Because before it's just a little rough hill that you had to run up to. Now this makes walking up here easier. A whole lot easier, actually. Oh man, I didn't want to do that one. Ew. Look what I found. Banana slug. Ooh. It is a banana slug. Ew. Wonder what that means. May not mean anything. But those were big. And there was a bear. Why was it a bear? Oh, see? Somebody's always taking care of this area. They just recently chopped off that tree. So they make it, the vegetation not overgrown. You can see that all these are new, freshly groomed. Bike route. Oh. Oh. Well, now it's a choice. You want to walk uphill, or you want to take the stairs? Either one is a very good option. Go this way. This is a pretty steep hill, so usually avoid walking up. But today, first time in 3 years doing this, so this won't be too bad. There are other people. See, it's a steep incline, so it's pretty tough. Look at all these trees. It's really scary at night. And they used to walk on this. You can walk all the way across on this branch. Even though you don't fall off. But even if you do fall, it couldn't be too bad. But these trees are creepy. They're creepy during the day. You can imagine how creepy they are at night. No one's really out here at night though. I can stay out after dark, and I know my way around after dark. But even that, I wouldn't do it. Oh, okay. Oh my God. These trees are just gnarly. Look how they swoop over. Oh. Gnarly trees. Oh, somebody's playing golf. So we're gonna pop up on the golf course. Yeah, it's really neat. I'm willing to decide which way to go. You can go that way to go to the VA hospital to go home, or you can go that way to go to the Legion of Honor, go from home there. So these are my options. This is just crazy, exhausting. Oh my God. Okay, so we're up here on the walk, around the golf course, coming back from Landsend Trail. So this is the golf course. Keep in mind that this is about 6:30 summertime, August 16th, and I'm wearing this, and the weather looked like this. Isn't that amazing? Oh my God. So